Everything you should know about dog care. Is your dog difficult to manage? Does he chew on your personal things just for sport? You need to learn more about dogs and dog training. In this video, we will provide sound dog training advice. If you are planning to take your dog on an extended car ride, talk to your vet about motion sickness medication first. Avoid feeding him before setting out to prevent queasiness and vomiting, and make sure you buy him bottled water if you are traveling to any destination that is known to have issues with water quality. Take your dog to the vet regularly. This may seem like an added expense that you don't need, but when you take your dog to the veterinarian, he can screen your dog for diseases and make sure he is in the best of health. This of course prevents problems down the road. Brushing your dog's teeth is important, but it is not easy. If your dog is resisting, once a day simply lift their lips and use your finger to rub their teeth lightly. Do it quickly at first, and then begin to draw out the time you spend performing this action. This will help them get used to the process. After that, you can begin using an actual brush and toothpaste. Talk to your vet to learn which foods are appropriate for your particular dog. Some puppies take longer to develop, and some types of food may be too rich, leading to an upset belly or vomiting. Be cautious of what you feed your dog. Dogs love to eat grass and other plants. When you're outside, this may not be much of a problem, but if you maintain houseplants indoors, chances are they are poisonous to dogs. Before bringing a dog into the home, make sure all your houseplants are well out of reach of a dog who may be tempted by a green tasty treat. Make sure your dog gets enough exercise. This is vital to the care of a happy dog. Many people don't bother to exercise their dog, thinking that walks are enough. Dogs are active creatures and need to play. Talk to your veterinarian about how much activity your dog needs, and make sure he gets it. Be careful around Christmas time with a dog in your home, it's the busiest time of year at 24/7 animal clinics. Things like hanging and tree lights pose a danger to your dog, as they could become tangled or gnaw their way down to raw wires. The loveliest of Christmas plants are also hazardous to a dog's health, so take extra care during holidays. Remember that dogs are creatures of habit, and anything you start with him will be expected in the future. If you're not keen on him sleeping with you, don't let him do it only on occasion. Likewise, if you don't want him begging at the table, never offer him a bite of people food. He will learn and accept things if you are consistent. You no longer have to deal with a naughty dog. You don't need to sit by so you can watch your dog misbehave in public any longer. You have the power to transform your dog into a well-behaved pet. Remember the tips that you watch here and teach your dog good behavior. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.